Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So, we are talking about gateways. People have, done a lot of practice on the gateways because you are going to be, asked many questions in the interview. So, make sure that you're going to be practicing that. And gateway is very, very easy concept, not at all complex. You need to just practice once and leave it there. The important topics don't leave. That is from SQL Server end. So almost we have done with the this one, right? So you're ready to upload your CVs and everything. If you need any help, call my team and send me your CVs for review. If at all you want me to review it, please guys, and make sure somebody is added. Yesterday we found one issue. Somebody's added our SQL and T-SQL videos on Insta, Gram. Okay, his name is Rajesh. Anybody called Rajesh here? And there are 15,000 people are there, and we have shared, and that guy shared uh, the complete videos links there. Okay, so we are going to give a complaint in police now. We are going to go to the police. Now, police is going to be catching that guy. So probably he's from our batch only, or from the previous batch. He has shared the complete, videos in the Instagram post. I am repeatedly telling it is for your personal use. It is not to public. So it is not the, you're not the authorized person to share in the public, places, right? So, but repeatedly, even though I'm telling that guy is placed yesterday, and Instagram, we had lot of friends, lot of students are there, and they have posted me, sir, this name called Rajesh is posted yesterday, or SQL videos. Now we're going to be, giving a complaint on him. So definitely he'll be in jail. So make sure that you don't share it. If you're planning to share some of this content, then definitely you will be under a lot of troubles. Please make sure that you don't do this, and definitely we will not leave him. His name is Rajesh, right? So, so that is for sure, guys, and take it seriously. If simply sharing means if you get caught, entire your life will be spoiled. Clear? If there is a police complaint on you, then nobody can save you. The people will do the background check, and people will do this kind of a check also, right? If you do anything on the social media, you will get caught immediately, right? I given trainings to thousands of students, and all over everywhere they are there. If you share it here and there, people can immediately catch you guys. Immediately they'll inform me, right? So that is for sure. Make sure whatever be the videos I'm giving, I'm helping you to watch the videos. If somebody asks you, let them tell them that contact Bhaskar sir. He will be able to help you with each and everything. You clearly tell them that you don't have anything. You are not an authorized person to share anything. So definitely we are going to give a complaint in the police station. So I'll tell you the results also very soon. Clear? The better whoever is posted, whoever is sharing, please stop sharing it, deleting it. If you don't do it, if we come to know that, then you will be in trouble, guys. So make sure that don't do this kind of things. Clear? And sharing is very, very bad thing. And then I will stop sharing these videos. So you cannot go to the court also, right? If I stop sharing the videos, can you go to the court? So please make sure that it is I'm supporting you to learn. So don't misuse them. Don't share here and there. Don't give it to everybody, right? So be careful, guys. So team collaboration is the topic. Very simple and interesting topic. Let us concentrate on today. And when we create a workspace, and by default you're going to be logging into app.powerbi.com. You create a workspace. After creating a workspace, you're going to be adding a members, so or roles to the workspace, and how to assign users and members to the workspace. So end of the day, what is going to be happening? Workspace will have the reports, right? Workspace means what? Workspace means a folder. So folder will have a report. So the report, end of the day, the report needs to be, accessed by the end users. Clear? For example, let me write like this. And now this is you. You're called end user. End user means you may be a technical guy, or you may be forget about you're a manager. So you want to access a report. So where are the reports? All the reports are stored in a workspace, right? So all the reports are stored in the workspace. So it is a workspace name. So these are the reports I have created, and I have stored it here. So this is what is called a workspace, right? So now I have thousands of users, not only one guy, thousands of users. Now these thousands of users are divided into some roles. So for example, I wanted to give him some access. For example, he can read the report. So who's going to be reading the report? Could be a end user. He does not want to do anything. He wanted to read something. So that's it. So he's maybe end user. His name is called John. So John is, recently joined, let us say, in ibank. So his mail ID is ibank.com, right? So he's the officer. You wanted to read the report. So like that, we have many managers, right? So there are thousands of managers who's going to be accessing. Now, if I recruit thousands of people, if I give directly access, they can read, they can write, okay, and they can do delete operation, they can do modifying the report, lot of things they can do it. So the lot of actions they can do it: reading, writing the report, deleting the report, modifying the report, and refresh, lot of things they can do it. All these things they can do it. But how do I control all these operations? Accessing is very easy. So if you give the permission, this guy can access complete workspace. But the issue is that we wanted to control this guy. We have to provide only readability access. For some guys, we have to provide, complete admin access. For example, I'm the admin. I'm creating reports, and I'm deploying them. So I'm modifying, deleting. So Bhaskar Jogi is a technical person, or is a BA developer or a reporting developer. He's going to be admin, so he's a sharing, but not everybody is admin, right? So not everybody is admin. So some of them are reading, some of them are admins. They will have full privileges. Some of them are, admins. Admins means they'll have full privileges, right? So some of them will have partial, privileges. Some of them should have, complete privileges. So if there are thousands of people giving read, write, this, that, giving all the permissions will take a lot of time, right? So what to do? So this is a workspace. Now how to create a workspace we know. And as soon as you join the any new company, you will be given with a user ID and password and email ID. So with that email ID, you should be able to go, and if at all there are some reports, Power BI is installed, and if they're creating some reports means, you can access if you have the permit, if they have the full permission. Now I wanted to control those permissions. So end users by default will get complete permissions. So I wanted to control them. So how to assign users to the workspace? This is what I'm talking about. We have user, right? Users are directly assigned to the workspace. Okay. If I am assigning directly to the workspace, I will get a lot of permission issues, because complete permissions will be given on the workspace. The user can do anything. So we have a types of users. So one user may be a manager, one user may be a technical guy, one user may be some different guy. So we don't give a users directly to workspaces. We give like this. So how to give? we take the user, we will allocate him to one role, okay? So one role or one member. So this guy is going to be connecting, and this role is connected to the workspace. Clear? Now, whatever be the role that you have been assigned, you will be able to get some permission. So users are directly not connected to the workspace. Users are connected to roles or members. These roles are connected to workspace. For example, I am Bhaskar. So there is a role called some admin role. If I am connected to admin role, I will get complete access on the workspace. Okay. I am the guy. So I'll be connected a member role. There is a member role. If I'm connected to a member role, I will be able to get only read only permissions. That is what you got to understand. Clear? So what are the roles that we can have it? So these are called roles. These are called members. So admin, member, contributor, and viewer. So these are the roles between these two guys. Clear? Let me go and let me remove this. So you people cannot access this. In between, there is one more guy. So his name is called members, or people will be calling this as a roles, or this also called as a group. Clear? For example, if you are a admin guy, so for example, this guy name is called Peter. Peter is an admin. So Peter is a technical guy. So Peter at ibank.com or Peter at some amazon.com will be there. So we have a John. John is an end user. So this is the, so let us say his name is Sita and she is a viewer. So different roles are available. The first role is called what? The first role is called admin. So let me create these four roles. These are called groups, or these are also called as members. Clear? Now admin, member, contributor, and viewer. So there are four things, four roles. Admin. The next role is called member. The next one we have contributor. So I think somebody asked this question, right? So what are these roles, when to use what? Contributor. And we have some viewer. Okay. So way to get this, when you go here. So as soon as you go to app.powerbi.com, you will be able to go and create a workspace. For example, I have created a workspace. Now, as soon as I create a workspace, somebody, or either me or any one more developer, is going to be deploying these reports. So all of them are available. So who can access? I can access. Who's me? So this is user 11. User 11 can access because he is the owner, he is the admin. So now I wanted to give a permission to others. Now this workspace, there is access, right? So when I go to the access mode, I have four things. One is called admin. The next one is called a member. The next one is called contributor. The next one is called a viewer. So who can access this? So not everybody can access this, right? So who can access? If I give admin, for example, user 11 is giving a permission to user 12. Okay, user 12. So user 12 is admin, member, contributor, viewer. Viewer means end user. So that I need not tell you. So user 12 can access all this, but what is that he can access? He can simply a viewer. Simply what? A viewer role. You should be able to see and have it. Clear? User 11 PBA is created this workspace. He's admin. Admin means he can do lot of actions. So what is that each guy can do? Let us understand. So let us see actions on the workspace. What are the things that you can do it? If you're admin guy, you can do this. If you're a viewer, you can do this. Update the workspace, change the name of the workspace, add members to the workspace, add, delete, update members from the workspace, and add content. Content means what? Data set, report, and dashboards to the workspace. Add, delete, update content, whatever you wanted to do it, all of them you can do it. Share the content with end users, view the content in the workspace. Lot of operations we're going to be doing as part of our workspace. So in workspace, what do you do? Either you put the report, you modify the report, you delete the report, you share the report, you view the report, lot of things, you update the data set. So lot of actions we can do it. So there are four people, four roles being assigned, four roles being assigned. You could be admin or a member or a contributor or a viewer. So admin means what? Admin means all steps he can do. First to sixth steps he can perform. All these things, update, add a member, everything you will be able to perform. So this is what is called admin role. So if somebody is assigned, for example, according to this, if Peter is assigned to admin, so everything on this workspace he can do it. Clear? So he's not going to be assigned directly like this. He's not going to be assigned directly like this. This is not the way. So the users are connected to the groups or roles, and the role is connected to the workspace. So admin means he can do a lot of things here. So that is what we need to understand. Lot of things means everything can be done. Everything can be done. So all steps, first to sixth step. Member means second step partially, and a 4, 5, 6. So what do you mean by second step partially? So add members. So this is one thing that you can do it. Plus 4, 5, 6. So 3 you cannot do it, and 1 you cannot do it. 4, 5, 6. So add content, data sets, report, dashboard to the workspace. So you can add, delete, update content, share the content with end users, view the content, reading the reports. Okay, if you remember, so if you remember, so 4, 5, 6, and second one partially you can do it. Contributor. What do you mean by contributor? 4, 5, 6. Add content, you can do it. Share the content, you can do it. View the content. Okay, that is also you can do it. 4, 5, 6. Add content, delete, update content can be done. Plus share the content with end users, because end of the day, you can also share the content if you give the this permission to this. View the content. That is what is called the contributor. So member means he can do something, right? So if you remember, he's going to be doing some steps on this. And if somebody is contributor, and they will be able to get some permissions. What permissions that you need to list it there. Okay. If you're a viewer, so if you have one more user, so you'll have thousands of user, right? So you'll have thousands of users. All these guys are connected. Tomorrow one more employee is going to be joining. So this guy is also part of admin group. So this guy is also automatically added to the admin group. So when you adding admin group, so this workspace data, so you can see it, you can modify it, you can do, if this guy is a member, so the member can do a lot of activities, contributor can do some activities, viewer can do some activities. So what are the activities we can see? Contributor means 4, 5, 6, 4 and 6, not 4, 5, 6, 4 and 6. What is the 4? 4 means add content, 6 means view the content, or sharing cannot be done by this guy. Okay. So contributor means he cannot share the reports with others. So that is the point. Viewer means only read the reports and read the dashboard. Clear? So that is only the sixth, that is what we're talking about a viewer. So these are the differences in different rules. Clear? So if you wanted to assign a user to the as a only read only permission, if you wanted to give, so definitely that guy is called as a viewer. Clear? Contributor means 4 and 6. What do you mean by 4 and 6? He can add content, means data set, report, dashboard, he can add it. So he cannot share the content with end users. He can view it. So 4 and 6 can be done. So that is the meaning. Viewer only this. So maximum permissions are given. So admin, and next level is member. So member means if you're a member in the workspace means you can do the 4, 5, 6, and second one partially. Second one means with add members to the workspace, that you can do it. Plus you should be able to perform 4, 5, 6, add content, share the content, view the content. Clear? So that is what you should be able to have it. You should be able to do it. So these are the permissions that you can assign. Clear? So this is what is called very important, and lot of interview questions also asked. So users are not directly assigned to the workspace. Users, these are called users. Users are assigned to what? Always, you will have thousands of users, right? all the thousands of users are going to be mapped to what? To a members are called as a roles or a group. What is a group? Group name is called admin group, member group, contributor group, or viewer group, or viewer role, or contributor, or a member role, something like this. So, based on this, you are already predefined permissions. That permissions are given to this. So, users are never connected to workspace. Remember this. Users are always connected to a roles or groups or a members. So what are the groups we have? Admin, member, contributor, and a viewer. So you should be able to give a permission. How to give the permission? I shown you. Okay. So for example, tomorrow you wanted to give user one. So user one we don't have user one. I think it got expired. Let me say user 13, user six. User 6, I would like to give a member role. So he is a member. So what is the member? What he can do? You should be able to understand. After that, you log in. You check what is that I can do with this. I can read, I can download, I can modify. So all these things can be done. So click on add. Go up and add one more user. User, let us say user 7. User 7 is a contributor. Like that, you should be able to assign the permissions at this level. So I'm the owner. I'm the owner. So I create a workspace first. After creating a workspace, I supposed to assign the permissions. How to assign the permissions? Get his email ID and provide these members. Now, based on the role, so when they log in, so they will be able to either read the reports. They should be able to perform all operations if you provide admin access, and they should be able to perform these operations. Okay, so these are the things that you have to understand, and these are very very important. So this topic is called what? Team collaboration. Team collaboration means how the each and every employee or each and every end user can connect with the Power BI reports. Okay, you should be admin guy, you should be a contributor, you should be a viewer, you should be a member. Clear? So users are connected to roles or members. These roles are connected to the workspace. That is what you got to understand. So we have four members or four roles or four groups are available: admin, member, contributor, and viewer. And these are the things that we are going to be doing as part of workspace. Now, who can do what? Who can do what? So that you should be able to, understand in this. Okay. So that's it. If you wanted to modify something, you should be able to modify a lot of things here, right? So you can go if you wanted to modify some, some settings you can modify. For example, workspace name, I would like to modify. So I would like to add 1, 2, 3. So since I'm admin guy, I should be able to modify this. So if you wanted to perform some operations, you should be able to do something here. Lot of actions we can do it. So I would like to delete the workspace. I would like to do something here. Anything if you want to do it, so that can be done as part of this. So I'm able to perform lot of operations, rename settings, whatever you wanted to do it. Since you're a admin guy, you should be able to perform all these things. So all these settings and everything will not be given to the people who are having, when you come down. So if you're a viewer will not get delete option. If they wanted to delete it, so they cannot delete it. So I can delete because I'm the owner of this. I'm the admin of this. Lot of settings you can perform here. Lot of things are available. So apart from that, you should be able to also see lot of actions here. So some of them only, the viewers and the maximum thing is that they can see the report, they can view the report, but other the maximum things the viewer cannot do it. So what are the actions that you can perform means these are the actions. Clear? So way to do all these actions means click on dot 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 or go to the settings pan where you should be able to perform all these operations. Clear, guys? This is very very small one and very very important, but in many interviews people will be asking this question. So what is the meaning of a admin? What is the meaning of a member? What is the meaning of a contributor? What is the meaning of a viewer? Clear, guys? So these are the points that you have to know, guys. And so remember these actions, and you can tell them that admin means can do everything, viewer means can read the data, contributor means they can do 4, 5, and 6 can be done, and something like member means 4, 5, 6, something like this. Clear? Thank you, guys. Any questions?